Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel.
Hi friends, we're so happy you're here today.
I'm Sophia and this is Lucas. How are you doing today?
We hope you're doing great. Today we have something exciting for you.
Yes, today we're talking about shadowing. Do you know what shadowing is?
Shadowing is a special way to learn English. It's really fun.
And it works very well. Many students love shadowing.
So, what is shadowing? Let me explain.
Shadowing means you listen and repeat at the same time.
You listen to English and you speak at the same time. That's shadowing.
It's like being someone's shadow. You follow them everywhere, right?
Exactly. When you shadow English, you follow the words.
Lucas, when did you first try shadowing?
Oh, I tried shadowing 3 years ago. I was studying English in college.
How did you feel about it?
At first, it was difficult, very difficult. I couldn't speak fast enough.
That's normal. Everyone feels that way at the beginning.
Yes, but I didn't give up. I practiced every day.
Every day? That's wonderful. How long did you practice?
I practiced for 10 minutes every morning. Just 10 minutes.
10 minutes is perfect for beginners. You don't need to practice for hours.
Right. 10 to 15 minutes is enough. Short practice is better than no practice.
So, let me ask our friends. Do you practice English every day? Tell us in the comments.
Great question. Now, Sophia, can you explain how to do shadowing?
Of course. Let me explain step by step. It's very simple.
I'm listening.
First, you need to find English audio. You can use podcasts, videos, or songs.
What kind of videos work well?
Choose videos for your level. For beginners, use slow, clear English, like our Slow English podcast series. It talks slower than my grandma texting. Laughs.
Right, that's important. Don't choose videos that are too difficult.
Exactly. Start with easy content. You can try harder content later.
What's the second step?
Second, listen to the audio one time. Just listen. Don't speak yet.
Why do we listen first?
Because you need to understand the words and the rhythm.
Oh, I see. Rhythm is the music of the language.
Yes, English has a special rhythm. Shadowing helps you learn this rhythm.
That's so true. The rhythm makes your English sound natural.
After listening, the third step is shadowing. Listen and speak at the same time.
At the same time? That sounds hard.
It is hard at first, but it gets easier with practice. Trust me.
What if I can't speak fast enough?
That's okay. Just try your best. Speak as much as you can.
Should I pause the audio?
No, don't pause. Keep listening and keep trying to follow.
Even if I make mistakes?
Yes, mistakes are part of learning. Don't worry about mistakes.
That's good advice. Making mistakes is normal.
Let me give you an example. Imagine you're listening to a podcast.
Okay, what's the podcast about?
It's about daily routines. The speaker says, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
And I repeat, I wake up at 7 o'clock, right?
Yes, but you say it while you're listening at the same time.
So the speaker is talking and I'm talking too?
Exactly. You're following like a shadow. That's why it's called shadowing.
This technique helps with pronunciation, right?
Yes, shadowing helps your pronunciation a lot, a lot.
What else does it help with?
It helps with listening skills. You learn to hear words better.
And speaking speed too.
Yes, you learn to speak faster and more naturally.
Wow, shadowing has many benefits.
It really does. That's why we love this technique.
Sophia, do you have any tips for our viewers?
Of course. Here are my top tips for shadowing.
All right, everyone, grab a pen and take notes. Don't trust your memory. I don't trust mine either.
Tip number 1, practice every day. Make it a habit.
Every day is important. Even 5 minutes helps.
Tip number 2, choose interesting content. Don't choose boring topics.
Right. If you're bored, you won't practice.
Exactly. Choose topics you enjoy. Maybe cooking, travel, or sports.
What's tip number 3?
Tip number 3, don't focus on perfection. Focus on progress.
Progress, not perfection. I like that.
You will get better slowly. Be patient with yourself.
That's really important. Learning takes time.
Tip number 4, record yourself sometimes.
Recording? Why is that helpful?
Because you can hear your own voice. You can hear your mistakes.
And then you can fix your mistakes.
Yes, recording helps you improve faster.
Do I need any special equipment?
No, you can use your phone. Everyone has a phone.
That's easy. Just use your phone's recording app.
My last tip is tip number 5. Have fun.
Have fun? Learning should be fun?
Yes, if you enjoy shadowing, you'll practice more.
That makes sense. Fun practice is the best practice.
So let me ask our viewers again, what topics interest you?
Yes, tell us. What do you want to listen to?
Write your favorite topics in the comments below. We want to help you find good shadowing materials. Lucas, can you share your favorite shadowing experience?
Sure. Last year, I shadowed a cooking video every day.
A cooking video? That's interesting.
Yes, the chef spoke clearly and slowly. It was perfect for shadowing.
What did you learn?
I learned cooking vocabulary, words like chop, stir, and boil.
Those are useful words. And your pronunciation improved?
Yes, my pronunciation got much better. I felt more confident.
Confidence is so important. Shadowing builds confidence.
It really does. Now I'm not afraid to speak English.
That's wonderful. We want all our viewers to feel confident too.
You can do it, everyone. Just start today.
Okay, friends, let's review what we learned today.
We talked about shadowing. Remember what shadowing is?
Shadowing means listening and repeating at the same time.
You follow the English like a shadow. That's shadowing.
Shadowing helps your pronunciation, listening, and speaking speed.
Practice for 10 to 15 minutes every day.
Choose easy content at first. Choose topics you enjoy.
Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are okay.
And most importantly, have fun. Enjoy the process.
So, are you ready to try shadowing?
We hope you'll start today. Start right now.
Find a video or podcast you like.
Listen first, then shadow. It's that simple.
And tell us about your experience in the comments.
We love reading your comments. We read every single one.
Did you learn something new today? We hope you did.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
We make new videos every week. We want to help you learn English.
Thank you so much for watching today.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep smiling.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Have a nice day.